Welcome to our battery here.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. So thanks for your cooperation.
Yeah.
Can you tell us which are you from?
Okay. My name is Augustine Gamara. I'm from Sierra Leone, West Africa to be specific.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what product are you order?
Well, I'm ordering 30 kVA solar system from your company, which will serve my house project.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So can you tell us why you chose our Tanfon Solar company?
Of course, because of quality, and my boss recommended you guys because he has used your product before, and it has been really of top quality and very durable. So, I mean, that one alone.
Yeah.
And the essence of solar system in Africa is for durability and quality because we are far apart from you guys. So we need something that is very, of high quality and durable for whatever service that we are using. I will recommend more, colleagues to your company so that we will have more business at the end.
Okay, we will support you better.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.